Anytime.
Alright, hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jerome Ramos, all the way from New York City. Looking forward to going to the Salsa Manila Festival from November 1. What's up ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? My name is Jerome Ramos, all the way from New York City. November 22nd to the 25th. We're gonna make our way to the Salsa Manila Festival in Manila.
And go.
3, 2, 1, video! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going out Salsa Manila Festival, November 22nd to the 25th. My name is Jerome Ramos. I'm gonna be there myself, hanging out. We're looking forward to it. We're gonna have Magna Gopal, Leon Rose,
Jerome Ramos,
Henry Knowles. It's gonna be fun. At the
Manila.
This is like, alright ladies and gentlemen, if you want to learn how to dance like this, you can make your way to the Salsa Manila Festival, November 22nd to the 25th, and you can do a little dancing like this with Leon Rose, a little bit of some Henry Knowles. We're going all the way with myself, Jerome Ramos, all the way from New York City. And last but not least, we have Magna Gopal, one of the best followers in the world. But we'll see if she can follow me at the Manila Salsa Festival, November 22nd to 25th. Alright, I'm cutting